Okay, I just want to make a quick video today, guys, down here at our shop, getting our sign made, getting a lot of stuff down here at the shop finished up. We're actually just getting going, to tell you the truth. We're going to have a window decal there, and we'll have a decal there on the door as well. But now when you walk into the showroom, as you can see, there's a lot more room than what we used to have. Used to be a bathroom that came out to here and you walked right in front of it, but now it's wide open. So this will be our new showroom. We've come a long way just in the last couple days. This is all open out here, and this will be our working bathroom. This is going to be a bathroom just like we do for anybody. I showed you guys this last week, I think. The toilet will go there, be a vanity there, and then our shower will be over here. Be a bench seat in it. Then we'll have a fully frameless door in there so everybody can see that. Come back out here. This is probably going to be our Forza Stone room, which is our other solid surface product that we use, the real stone. We'll have actually a onyx ramp base over here for handicap accessibility. That'll go there. There'll be a shower there. And then on this side, not really sure yet, but we'll probably do another shower or vanity or something on that side. This will be the Forza Stone room. And then back here will be the meeting room. We'll meet with customers back here, and the guys and everybody will meet back here in the morning to go over what we're going to be doing for the day. So that's about it. All the vanities will probably be out here in this room. And then of course the back room, which everybody's seen before, but we got a lot of work to do, as you can tell. It's all people's jobs, all of our customers. Still got all that back there, and then of course our display for our Armstrong flooring. We got another new one too. It's called it's another Armstrong product is what it is, but it's actually a completely waterproof. As you can see, rigid core technology is what they call it. Snaps together, goes down right over cement. We're actually going to put it down on our cement here, and it's completely waterproof. You can see it's actually got cork on the, you can see that cork on the bottom side of it. And then there's a ton of different kinds, different styles, different colors. And this, as you can see, it comes in 6 by 48 inch planks, so it can cover a lot of room in a real short hurry. That's all I got for today. Thanks, guys.